Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having guys, that generation right here, Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban from year 2014 to year 2020. Excuse me. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fuses and relays for the MAP sensor are located, this is practically the Manifold absolute pressure sensor fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the MAP sensor fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. By the way guys, okay, both vehicles are built on the same platform, so it should apply to both, but quick thing, the Suburban practically is longer. That's the main difference. And there will be many hidden fuse boxes in this model Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban. What we need to do, go ahead and open the hood. Lucky for us, we're working easy to access fuse box. You need to come to the driver's side. This is your fuse box guys. Open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So for any of you guys that want to see how to test MAP sensor, we will actually have a video on our channel that will explain how to do that. It's not complicated because there is no need to waste your money on a new MAP sensor unless you need to buy one guys. Check out the video, it will teach you how to test it. But if you come in that row of fuses here, the fuse that we need to check for the MAP sensor, it's that 15M fuse known as fuse number 87. That's the fuse guys. What about the relay? You have one relay that's known as engine computer relay. We have the video on the channel if you need to find it. But one of the functions will be for the MAP sensor. However, if that relay doesn't work, many systems will not work and your engine will not even start. So most likely that's the main fuse that you will need to check, fuse 87. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.